In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Clio Manage. To begin, sign into Clio Manage and look to the left sidebar. Open the billing section. This is your hub for everything related to time entries, expenses, and invoices, and it's where you'll build the invoice you need. Next, select New Bills. This opens the bill creation workflow so you can pick exactly what to include. Start by selecting the client you want to invoice. If the client has multiple matters, you'll be able to handle those in a moment. But the first step is simply choosing the correct client so the bill pulls in the right work. When you're ready, click Generate to move into the invoice setup screen. Here, set the issue date. This indicates when the invoice is officially created and typically aligns with your billing cycle. Consistency with your firm's billing schedule is helpful for reporting and for your client's expectations. Now, set the due date, or, if your firm uses a grace period on the contact, you can rely on that setting. Clear due dates reduce confusion and help you get paid on time. Choose a bill theme from the Change Bill Theme dropdown. The theme controls the appearance and layout of the invoice, things like headings, sections, and how information is arranged. So pick the one that best matches your firm's style and the level of detail your clients prefer. Decide on the detail level for the invoice. All Details provides full line items for each time entry and expense, making it great for clients who want complete transparency. Activity Summary groups entries into summarized categories while still showing what was done. Aggregate condenses everything into totals, offering a clean, simple bill that's quick to read. Next, choose which activities to include. You can include time entries and expenses together, time entries only, or expenses only. Select the option that reflects what you want to charge for in this billing cycle. Configure any additional options as needed. If the client has multiple matters, you can combine multiple matters into a single bill to streamline their experience. You can also include unbilled matters with a zero balance to provide a comprehensive statement, and you can choose to skip the bill approval process if your workflow allows for immediate generation. Select an invoice tax from the Invoice Tax dropdown if applicable. This pulls from your tax settings so the correct rate is applied. When everything looks right, click Generate Bills. Clio will compile the invoice based on your selections and get it ready for your next steps. Thanks for watching.